Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry from scratch using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients, including your choice of protein and vegetables. Chop 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Measure out your preferred curry paste or powder and have 1 can of full-fat coconut milk nearby. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process for your delicious homemade curry. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for your curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté it gently until it turns translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic, grated ginger, and 2 tablespoons of your curry paste, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich, aromatic base. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to add the main components. Pour in 1 can of creamy coconut milk and 1/2 cup of water or vegetable broth. Stir well to combine everything. Now, add your protein, such as chicken or tofu, and your favorite vegetables like bell peppers or spinach. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is tender. Finally, let's perfect your homemade curry. Taste the curry and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Stir in some fresh cilantro or basil just before serving for a burst of fresh flavor. Ladle your delicious, easy curry into bowls and serve it hot with fluffy rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.